Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another unboxing. Hopefully another one that's fun. There's a really cool sticker that came with this one. So let's see, after we open the parcel, what's in the box. Here we go, it's very well packaged. They even put some extra stuff around there to make sure that it wouldn't get broken. So it's a parcel within a parcel within a parcel. Let's see, can you get in there very fast? Let's see. Again, it's from that very cool company, Gool RC. Let's see if we can get in there, find out what's in there. Looking good, I'm excited. And there it is, Gool RC. And in the next one, we're gonna open it up so you guys can see exactly what's going on in there.
Likey.